Good evening, kids.
Ma'am.
Okay, why your energy is so low? What happened? Exam time, you should be fully energetic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
FA4 exams going on, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
tomorrow which exam you have?
Hindi science.
Hindi and science. How was today's exam?
Nice, ma'am.
Good?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
attempted all the bits? You have written everything very neatly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Hoping to get good score?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. If not, then you know what you will. Okay, fine. So, hello everyone. Welcome to my wonderful world of education system, that is MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. These all are third standard kids and they have their FA4 exams are going on, and tomorrow they have science exam, and their portion is light and sound and water and weather. Two lessons, right? Light and sound and water and weather. Okay, so let's start with question answers first. Okay, your first question is, what is light? What is light? What is light, Girish?
Light is a form of energy.
Very good, Girishwar. Very good. What is light? Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Okay, it's only one line answer. Light is a form of energy. Fine. Then next question is, when are we able to see an object? When you will be able to see an object? See, when the light falls on any object, what happens? When the light, see, you are able to see everything around you. You are able to see me. You are able to see my hand. You are able to see this mobile. Yes, everything you are able to see. How you are able to see? When it is completely dark, can you see? If there is no light, can you see? How come, Girish? When there is no light, when the light is off. See, daytime, what is the natural source of light? Natural and only source of light. What is the natural source of light on earth? Sun, right? Yes, it is a source of heat and light on the earth. Yes, natural, free of cost, no money. Yes or no? But once the sun sets, then you require these artificial lights. Yes, tube lights, bulbs and everything, candles. Yes, okay. So when there is no light, when it is completely dark, can you see any object? Can you see any object? You cannot see anything. Yes or no? So when there is a light, how you are able to see the object? The light falls on an object. The light falls on an object, and when the light falls on an object, it reflects back. It reflects back and it enters your eyes. Okay? So when the light falls on an object, it reflects back and it enters your eyes. Okay? That is how you can see a object. That is how you can see an object. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so repeat after me. We are able to see an object
We are able to see an object
when light falls on the object.
when light falls on the object.
It reflected back
It reflects
and enters the eyes.
and enters the eyes.
Okay, and enters our eyes, and then you will be able to see the object. Fine, it's a deep process, but at the level of class 3, I think this much is enough for you to understand. Then, how are shadows formed? How are shadows formed? You know what is a shadow?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what is a shadow, right? You have seen your shadow?
Yes,
Yes, you have seen the shadow of different objects. Now also you can see. Yes. So what is a shadow? How a shadow is formed? Okay. See, when light cannot when the light falls on object, if the light cannot pass through, when the light cannot pass through a solid object. Okay. When the light cannot pass through a solid object, when the path of the light is blocked, when the path of the light is blocked by a solid object, then a shadow is formed. Did you understand, Tanuja? Okay, so when the path of the light is blocked, when the path, see, this is the light source. Can you see the tube light? Yes. Okay, so now it is falling on you. Okay, but the light cannot pass through your body because it is an opaque. Your body is opaque. Yes or no? The light cannot pass through. So the path of the light gets blocked. Then behind you we can see your shadow. Okay, so when the path of the light is blocked, okay, by an object, then a shadow is formed. So how a shadow is formed? If a solid
A solid
through which
which
light cannot pass
light cannot pass
comes
comes
in the path of light,
in the path of light.
a shadow is formed.
A shadow is formed.
Did you understand, kid? Okay, so when a shadow is formed, Girishwar, you are listening? When a shadow is formed, when a solid object, any solid object, it comes in the path of the light and the light cannot pass through it, then a shadow is formed. Did you understand, Sanjay? Okay. Then next, when can we hear a sound? When can we hear a sound? See, now I am making this sound. See, now I am making this sound. Yes, I am hitting with the stick on the rod. When can you hear a sound? When can you hear a sound? What happens? See, when two objects hit each other. For example, when the bell rings. When the bell rings, what happens? Sound waves are produced. What happened? Sound waves are produced. And these sound waves, they travel through the air and they reaches your ear. And you can hear the sound. Did you understand? Okay. So when two objects interact, see, I am hitting this. You can hear the sound? Yes, you can hear. So when two objects hit each other, the sound waves are produced. For example, your bell. You hear the bell in your school? The bell vibrates? Yeah. So when the bell vibrates or when any such sound is produced, the sound waves are produced. The sound waves are produced. And they travel through the air and enters your ear. And you can hear the sound. Did you understand? Now repeat after me. When a surrounding body... What happened? No energy? Read loudly please. When a surrounding body, such as a bell, vibrates, it produces sound waves which travel through the air to reach your ears, and we are able to hear the sounds. Did you understand now how the sound is produced? Please sit. Okay kids, so you have only these 4 questions from the chapter light and sound. Okay, so what is a light? Light is a form of energy. With the help of light only we can see the objects around us. Yes or no? With the help of light only we can see the object around us. What are the different sources of light? Sources of light can be natural or artificial. What is the natural source of light? Sun. Sun is the natural source of light. Yes, natural source of heat and light on the earth. Yes, and artificial sources are tube light, bulb, candle. All these are artificial sources. Okay, natural sources, sun. Okay, then what are shadows? How a shadow is formed? A shadow is formed when any solid object, it block the path of light. Okay, when the light cannot pass through a solid object, a shadow is formed. Did you understand? Then how the sound, how you are able to hear any sound? When anything vibrates, sound waves are produced, and these sound waves, they travel through the air and they reaches your ear and you can hear the sound. Did you understand? What happened, Joshna and Tanuja? Why there is a question mark on your face? You are able to understand what I am saying? You understood what is light, what is sound, what is a shadow, how it is formed, and how you are able to hear the sound? Yes? See, there are... Okay, so if you understood, now answer some questions to me. Dash sounds are called noise. What is noise? See, sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. See, when I am talking softly now, okay? When you are also telling yes ma'am very softly. So this is a soft sound, very pleasant to ears. You can hear, no problem. Yes, but sometimes you all will make noise. Yes or no? Noise pollution. You will shout. Yes, you will use your throat maximum and you will shout like anything. You will make the class like a fish market. Yes, in the school and even in the tutorial here. Yes, sometimes you do that. Yes, in spite of many warnings. Then that is called what? Noise. Noise is unpleasant to ears. Noise is unpleasant. Do you like noise? You like noise? No, right? See, when someone is singing, you like to hear. Yes or no? Yes, melodious, soft and smooth sounds you like to hear. But when something it is out, it irritates your ears. Yes, that is called what? Noise. And noise is a unpleasant sound. Noise is what? Unpleasant sound. You don't like. You get irritated. Yes or no? Yes, it's an unpleasant sound. Noise is a unpleasant sound. It irritates you. You will get headache because of the noise pollution. Because of noise, what? We get headache. We get irritation. Yes, it disturbs. You cannot concentrate. Yes or no? Many problems. Okay, fine. Then next, fill in the blank. Sound is a form of dash. Sound is a form of what? Tell me. Tell me, sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of what? Energy. Light is also a form of energy. Sound is also a form of energy. Did you understand? Joshna, I am talking something related only, or am I? You are listening? You are understanding? Say properly. Yes.
This one, Mr.
Okay, so heat is also a form of energy, sound is also a form of energy, light is also a form of energy. Did you understand? Okay. Next to boys, we must practice to speak dash with each other. How you should talk to each other? Politely. How you should talk? Politely. You should not shout. You should not become animals. Yes or no? You should talk softly and politely to each other. Okay? Fine. Okay, then next. Light is a form of dash. Energy. Very good, Girishwar. Okay, next. The dash is a natural source of light. What is a natural source of light? I said there are two sources of light. Natural sources, artificial sources. What is the natural source on the earth? Sun. Very good. Sun is the natural source of light. Okay, dash is non-luminous. What is a non-luminous object? You know luminous object and non-luminous object. Objects which give us light are luminous object, like sun, like tube light, like bulb. Yes, like candle. Okay, all these are luminous objects. And objects which does not give us light are called non-luminous object, like you. Girishwar, you are a luminous or non-luminous? Non-luminous. You are giving light. Is there any light in your body? No, right? We all are non-luminous objects. Yes, plants, we, yes, table, chair, all these are non-luminous objects. Okay, fine. Moon also. Moon is also a non-luminous object. Moon is not having its own light. Yes, it reflects the light of the sun. Okay. During a lunar eclipse, the moon appears. During lunar eclipse, how the moon appears? Bright red. How it appears? Bright red. Okay. Then the sound dash is called noise. The sound of who is called noise? Cracking. What we say? Crackers. Cracker sound is a good sound? No, right? Very unpleasant. Yes or no? Cracker sound is very unpleasant. Noise pollution. Yes or no? Okay, good. Fine. Then your next lesson. Okay. Dash is formed when an object blocks the path of light. What is formed? What is formed when the object blocks the path of light? Shadow. What happened, kids? Tanuja, what happened? What is formed when the path of light is blocked? Shadow. Okay. Loud sounds are dash to hear, unpleasant to hear. Okay. Dash travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Okay. Then the next lesson is water and weather. What is the next lesson? Okay. Light and sound. You have only 4 question answers to study and some fill in the blanks and match the following. Okay. You need to revise it. Then in water and okay, whatever. So now in water and weather, what is weather? Tell me what is weather? The state of repeat, the state of changing conditions of the atmosphere at a given place is called weather. Okay, so what is the weather? The state of changing condition of the atmosphere. Yes, what is an weather? The state of
changing condition
at the atmosphere at a given place is called weather. Okay, then why Earth is called the blue planet? Why we are calling Earth as a blue planet? Because 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water, and water is what? Blue. Life, right? Okay, so 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. Sit properly, Joshna. 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. That's why Earth is called what? Blue planet. Earth is called what?
Blue planet.
Okay. Then, fine. Next, why mornings and evenings are less warm compared to noon? Okay, see. Morning, we have, what are the different times of the day? Morning, afternoon, evening, and then night. Yes, Sanjay? Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay. So now when you see morning and evening, it is little cool. Afternoon time, it is very hot. Yes, Sanjay, you are sleeping. Afternoon time, it is very hot. Whereas morning and evening are little cool. Okay. Why? Little warmer. I mean, why it is so? Because in morning and evening time, the sun rays are slanting. How is slanting? Show me slanting. like this. Sun rays are slanting. Whereas the afternoon time, noon time, the sun is exactly above your head. So sun rays are straight. Sun rays are straight, like straight. It is falling on your head. Okay, that's why noon time it is very hot. Noon time it is very hot. Whereas morning time and evening time it is little warmer. Better. Yes or no? You can tolerate it. Okay. So you understood why evening time and morning time it is cooler than compared to afternoon time? Okay. Now repeat after me. Morning and evening,
Morning and evening.
less rays,
Let's face
the sun rays
the sun
are slanting.
are standing.
At this time,
At this time,
the sun is
the sun is
low in the sky. Please repeat after me. The sun is low in the sky.
low in the sky.
But at noon time,
But at noon time,
it is very warm
it is very warm
because
because
the sun shines
the sun shines
directly over the head.
directly on
Yes or no? Okay. So morning time and evening time, the sun is little low. The sun is little low. So the sun rays are slanting. How the sun rays are slanting. Okay, that's why it is little cold. But whereas in the afternoon time, the sun is just above your head. So the sun rays are straight, falling directly on your head, like, okay. So that's why it is very hot during noon time. Did you understand? Okay. Then how does the temperature vary on cloudy days and cloudy nights? I am explaining. Please listen. Okay. How does the temperature vary on cloudy days and cloudy nights? Cloudy days and cloudy nights, how does the temperature vary? See, during cloudy days, it is cooler. Yes or no? There are clouds in the sky, how it will be? It will be cool. Okay? Yes or no? Then compared to sunny days, because the sun rays cannot reach us. The clouds will block the sun rays. So the sun rays cannot reach us. So that's the reason during cloudy days it is little cooler. Okay? Fine. And cloudy nights are warmer. At the night time, if there are clouds, it will be warmer because the heat from the earth cannot escape. Okay? The clouds will not allow the heat from the earth to escape. That's the reason the cloudy nights are warmer and cloudy days are cooler. Cooler. You are understanding, Sanjay? Sanjay is out of this world. Okay? Fine. How does the wind affect the weather conditions? How does the wind affect? What is wind? What is wind? What is wind? Tell me what is wind. Yes, tell me kids, what is the wind? Moving air is called wind. Yes or no? Moving air is called wind. Kids. Okay. So during summer, what happens? Hot winds blow. So it is hot. And during winter, what happens? Cold winds blow. So it is cooler. During summer, hot winds blow. So it is hotter. During winter, cold winds blow. So it is cooler. Did you understand, kids? Okay. So now let me see if you can answer some of the fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay, tell me. Water changes to dash on cooling. See, you take water in a cup or something, keep it in the freezer. What it will become? I said in the freezer, what it will become? Ice. There are three forms of water, yes kids? Liquid, solid, liquid and gas. Liquid form is water, solid is ice and gaseous form is steam, water vapor. Yes or no? Okay. Then, these blanks are there or not in the exam? Okay, tell me Sanjay. Ice is the gaseous form of water. True or false? False. Ice is not a gaseous form of water. Ice is solid form of water. Okay. Then next, Girishwar. Water droplets join together to form clouds. True or false? True. Very good. Water droplets join together to form clouds. Next, Tanuja. Water changes to dash on cooling. Ice. It is not true and false. It is fill in the blank. Water changes to ice on cooling. Next. How hot winds make the weather dash. How the hot winds will make the weather unpleasant. You are listening to what I'm saying? It is not true and false. I said dash. Okay? Hot winds will make the weather unpleasant. Yes or no? Hot winds blow and make the weather unpleasant. Hot. Cold winds blow, they make the weather cold. Okay? Cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Okay? Somehow you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Light and sound, water and weather. Okay? At least little bit for your exam sake. Okay? So all those who are watching, if you understood, if this video has helped you in understanding and if you liked it, please do like,
Like,
share and subscribe our YouTube channel MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Okay, so it's my humble advice to all the kids that please study well, understand and learn. Okay, never just try to memorize the things. Okay, when you understand and learn, it becomes easy and you can remember it for the long time, and also you can explain it to the others. Okay, kids? Okay, so please keep smiling. Thank you.